Hey, let's get some panicure down you.
Oh, and by nice, I mean better than nice, obviously.
Yeah.
So, it means something.
What do you think it means?
There's still something there.
I
It
know.
shows that we've got something really good.
Do you not like this, do you?
Sorry.
Have you seen the time? I should be at work.
Yeah, but we'll walk over together.
I know.
No, I've got a dash.
Well, maybe later.
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah.
That knacky.
Sounds more than fair. Thank you.
The knacky.
No, I really appreciate it.
It's got to be done though, ducky.
Sorted.
What?
He
That
says,
was
I'm
the
out of here.
He loves the castle and gives out a present back, so
Come on.
days.
What about you?
I'm sorry.
No.
You
I'm
done?
sorry, it was a stupid thing to do.
It wasn't stupid.
You don't book a wedding venue without consulting the groom. I mean, he's kind of involved.
Oh, you're not so bad.
Cutting corners here and there because it's short notice.
All done.
When we get married, I want it to be everything you really want.
But who says I want a big day?
Who says I don't?
Last one, black
I'm
smoke.
telling you, it's been the last wedding I ever had. So let's get it right. If I had that kind of money lying around, I can't think of anything I'd want to spend it on. I'd marry you to death.
Last one, and I do
And I don't want
honestly know that he is not going to take this well at all.
to be anything less than perfect.
I feel like a total idiot now.
I'm going to make us one of your nice coffees. Laurel?
Just give me a sec.
Yeah, of course. I'll give you 5.
Oh, I just feel a bit sick.
Thought you had a headache.
Yeah, I'm feeling sick as well. It sort of comes.
Hey, I'll tell you what, it's not affected him.
I'm not panicking. I haven't got a temperature. I've been checking that every hour.
Back lively.
Oh.
I'm just worried about you. You sense the smell?